What's going on, everyone? Scott from Controversial Cruising. Now, if you've been following me, you know I have a pretty big adventure coming up. In fact, the longest adventure and the longest cruise I've ever been on. That's right, it's a 15-day Hawaii cruise. And ironically, it's the same ship that I took to Alaska earlier this year. That's right, the Carnival Miracle, and it's out of the same home port. So we're still going out of San Francisco, and I'm still going to show you things to do in San Francisco. We're going to explore Hawaii, but before that, we got to pack. And I'm going to explain to you why after 50-something cruises, right now, my longest cruise, this is going to be the cruise that I've packed the least amount, okay? And guess what? It's right there. So I'm not lying. Come on, I'm going to show you. We're going to pack, and it is going to be a light pack. My suitcase is still going to have room. 15 days. Carnival Miracle, packing light. Why? Come on, I'll tell you. All right, I feel like this is like MTV Cribs edition. Come into Controversial Cruising's closet. But come on, we got to go in here anyway. So we definitely have to bring the Hawaii button up. Okay. I think I saw another thing in here too. Oh yeah, that's right. Carnival t-shirt. I forgot about that one. That was in there. Let's see. What else do we have? Oh, let me see. Let me turn this around. Show you. What else do we have? We'll leave that Carnival shirt. I got a lot of Carnival shirts. Ooh, my Coach Cruise shirt. Yeah, that one's definitely got to come. All right, the jackets. Let's see which jacket. I have a lot, but should we do the Smurfs? Should we do the like 80s retro blue and red? Should we do the Nickelodeon through the 90s? The music one? Or the Rugrats? Oh, I forgot. Or Ninja Turtles. What should we do? Put it in the comments below. Which one should I bring? I'm only bringing one though. And then we gotta grab some. Formal wear. We're not gonna go all out. Let's see. What are we gonna grab? Definitely gotta grab some pants. Ooh, both. We're not taking both. We're only taking one. And let's do. Pass up the button shirt. Ooh, smooth. I like it. Look at the buttons on this. Oh yeah, we're taking this. Okay. All right, I switched out that dress shirt actually. We're going with the green. But this is pretty much what you're seeing. This is it. Now, let me be very clear. This pile right here is going in the backpack. So that is not going in the suitcase. So let me show you the suitcase. We also have 3 pairs of jeans too. Let me show you the suitcase. We've already laid the shoes. This is the foundation. We're going with 3 pairs of shoes. I don't know what hiking we're going to do, so we definitely got to take these. Plus the bonus will be the ones that are on my feet. Okay? So now we're going to pack all this in here and watch this time lapse as I do it. Now, really, what you saw is it. I might add 1 or 2 things that I wear every single week. But also remember to bring a laundry bag because I am platinum. So I'm going to be able to do laundry a few times, which is nice. Either way, you could pay for it if you wanted to. But having one of these bags, it's so easy. You probably get it on Amazon. I got this a really long time ago at a baseball tournament where we had to wash clothes and send them in. I'm also going to be bringing this with me too. So that has to go in there. But let's just see how much room we have and let's see how we did. Look at that. Yeah, we still got room. Yeah, we definitely still got room. So that's it. The lightest packing I've ever done. That's going to go in the backpack. We're still going to have room in the backpack. So if we need extra room in the backpack for some clothes or a hoodie or something like that, then hey, we got it. But that's it. Lightest packing ever. It's already done. Cheryl, that's why I wait till now. Because, hey, you're your own biggest fan. This is going with me too. I will see you around. Thanks for tuning in to this packing video. And it's more of me telling you on this 15-day cruise, I am going to be a minimalist, packing the lightest I have ever packed for the 15-day Hawaii cruise. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for tuning in. And what are we going to say? Be controversial. No, don't be controversial. Just joking. I'll see you guys later. Bye.